In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team spaces in Notion. If you want to keep your workspace organized and make it easier for different teams to collaborate, team spaces are a great feature to use. They help separate information by department, project, or function, so the right people can quickly find what they need without unnecessary clutter. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a team space and explain the options you'll see along the way. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Notion and find the Team Spaces section. Right next to that header, click the plus button. That's the fastest way to begin creating a new team space. Here is also another path you can use if you prefer going through settings. In the top left area of your sidebar, click Settings and Members. Then go to Team Spaces and select New Team Space. Both methods take you to the same setup screen, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. Once the creation window opens, the first thing you'll do is define the basic details of your team space. Start by giving it a clear and recognizable name. This should reflect the group or purpose of the space, such as marketing, engineering, or any other team name that makes sense for your workspace. Choosing a simple specific name makes navigation much easier for everyone later on. Next, add an icon and a short description. The icon can be an emoji or visual symbol that helps the team space stand out at a glance. The description should briefly explain what the space is for. This is especially helpful if multiple people in your workspace will be deciding whether they should join or use that area. After that, set the access permissions for the team space. You'll typically see three options. Open means anyone in the workspace can view the content and join the team space. Closed means the team space is visible to everyone, but people need an invitation from a member or an admin to join. Private means the team space is only visible and accessible to its members. Keep in mind that the private option is available on business and enterprise plans. When choosing permissions, think carefully about how widely the information should be shared. Open works well for general collaboration, closed is useful when access should be controlled, and private is best for more limited or sensitive internal work. Once everything looks right, click Create Team Space to finish. Your new team space will then appear in the sidebar, ready for you and your team to start organizing content and collaborating more efficiently in Notion.